The good sea and beaches and good people, nice people.
I think it's amazing. You have a lot of big churches, so it's really nice.
Amazing, huge boat, very huge boat.
Beautiful and old and cats.
Good food, good people, very hot.
A nice coastline, nice boats.
We came to Budva, so I saw the beaches. That was first. And then now we came here and it's the fish, the food. So yeah, both. Yeah?
We like the old town most. Old town, we like the history, we like the food, the fish. The fish we like the best.
Beach.
Beaches? Okay,
Yeah.
and you? Sun, the weather, the islands.
Hot.
It's hot.
Very hot.
People are very hosting. Yes, very polite, very kind. We like people the most.